Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can apply for the Reflect credit card of Wells Fargo. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to type in the link that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com/reflect visa card, and you can also find this link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you can see right at the bottom you have a statement. So you need to go through all of these statements, as these are the statements regarding the card. So once you've gone through it, all you need to do is tap on apply now, which is right at the bottom. So first of all, there's a confirmation. Now in case if you're not a customer of Wells Fargo, then you'll not be able to apply for the Reflect card. And after that, you need to provide the first name, last name, and then the social security number, date of birth, country of the citizen. So after that, you also need to provide your contact information and then your financial information, and then you have a terms and condition. You need to go through the terms and condition and then tap on submit. Once you do that, a confirmation code will be sent through an SMS or an email. So you need to enter the confirmation code, and then you'll be notified about the request. And within 10 to 5 days, you'll be receiving your Reflect credit card of Wells Fargo. So that is how you can apply for it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.